Welcome to CarUsta, revolutionizing workshop management with innovation and efficiency. CarUsta, the ultimate workshop management solution, connects all key stakeholders, parts vendors, management, technicians, and customers, ensuring smooth and efficient workshop operations. With CarUsta, collaboration is streamlined, creating a unified workflow for everyone involved. Fleet owners and independent workshops. CarUsta is designed to cater to both fleet owners and independent workshops, offering a seamless plug and start functionality. Whether managing large fleets or standalone workshops, CarUsta simplifies operations for all. Module integration. CarUsta's modules are seamlessly interconnected, creating a smarter and more efficient workshop management experience. From appointments and service reminders to digital inspections and quality control, every module works together to streamline operations and enhance productivity. Inventory management. Our inventory management module is smart, intuitive, and adaptable. Designed to meet the needs of any workshop, it handles both large-scale and small-scale inventory operations. With features like flexible pricing, stock control, and a network of suppliers, the module minimizes dead stock, streamlines procurement, and supports your business growth with speed and precision. Service reminder and invoicing. Stay connected with your customers effortlessly. CarUsta helps your business send timely service reminders, keeping your customers informed and engaged. With easy access to invoices and service history right from their smartphones, customers can stay connected to your workshop and enjoy a seamless experience. Workbay Management. CarUsta offers a smart Workbay management system designed to optimize workshop operations. Managers can easily track available and occupied workbays, monitor time usage, and assign tasks efficiently. This streamlined process ensures better control and enhanced productivity for your team. Visual inspection. CarUsta simplifies the inspection process with an intuitive interface. Technicians can easily upload videos, images, and reports during inspections, providing customers with a clear view of the required repairs and associated costs. Customers can review and approve the work directly from their mobile phones, ensuring transparency and building trust. Technician Status Screen. CarUsta provides a comprehensive technician status screen, giving the control team full visibility into technician workloads. With clear, color-coded statuses available, waiting for parts, or busy managers can easily monitor progress and allocate resources efficiently, ensuring seamless workshop operations. Unified Car Model Naming and Mapping. CarUsta is equipped with a global database covering all car makes and models. Its advanced auto-correcting feature ensures accurate naming and mapping of vehicles, including generations and facelifts. This comprehensive system simplifies vehicle identification and enhances operational efficiency. Customized reports. CarUsta provides comprehensive reporting capabilities tailored to each department's needs. From KPIs to technician performance and sales reports, the platform allows businesses to customize reports for specific goals, ensuring actionable insights and informed decision-making. Spare parts. Finder and bidding. CarUsta's Spare Parts Finder module simplifies and optimizes parts procurement. Select the desired parts, input the OE number or brand, and even upload an image. The system publishes the request to our vendor network, enabling them to submit competitive bids. Once the bidding time closes, you'll receive a comprehensive pricing summary, sorted from the lowest to highest, with matching accuracy percentages. Easily send purchase orders directly through the system, streamlining your procurement process.